Hi guys, welcome to the third episode of the introductory series and welcome to AIM. So today we'll be talking about the different career opportunities in data science, and this is the part 1 of the video where I'll be talking about the career opportunities in data science. Previously we had learned about how things are happening, like what is data science, how it got evolved, what is data science life cycle. So to know more about it, let's get into the video. So data science job can be divided into three sectors like data scientist, data analyst, data engineer. Okay, so we'll study about all these topics. So let's first know about data scientist. So what is the major role of data scientists? They examine the questions that need an answer. So their first task is to they examine the questions that answer is needed to. They should have business and analytical skills because that is very important for making decisions and for the problems or the challenges the organization is facing. So they need to have good skills and have a knowledge of mining, cleaning, and preparing the data. And so this is one of the second point that I want to share. Now the third point. So business use. So the third point is business use data scientists for expanding their business and get good quality business strategies. So they play a very important role, and the skills required by a data scientist are programming skills, which include SAS, R, Python. They should be a good storyteller because that's what business needs. They should know machine learning techniques. They should be good with visualization techniques. Cool. So for the second one, that is data analyst. So data analyst does is they build the gap between a data science and a business analyst. So he's the like the bridge between the two. So he connects both sides. Okay, so he works in that way. They work with analyzing the data. So they're provided with questions that need answering from the organization. They help in analyzing the data. They help to see visually how the data has been doing in the trend or how things are happening in the trend. Skills required are programming programming skills, machine learning techniques, visualization techniques, data wrangling techniques. Last but not the least is the data engineer. So he manages a large amount of data. Their role is about developing, deployment, and giving the infrastructure to transform the data and transfer the data to data scientists for their queries and their questions. So they help the data scientists with their queries regarding the data. So the skills required by them are the programming skills and some frameworks they need to know for deploying the data. And that is all for today, part 1. And let's see you in the part 2 of the series. Until we meet next time. Bye. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.